This underrated Etsy store has made over $12,000 by completely using the power of AI. After my extensive analysis, I found that the store has been created at the start of this year and has gathered more than 500 reviews from happy customers. But what I found more impressive was that they are making around 500 sales each month, which is around $3,000 in passive income just by selling AI digital products. In today's video, I will reveal how you can start a similar side hustle with the help of AI, from coming up with the idea using ChatGPT and designing the final product to make it look professional. And keep watching because I will reveal a secret trick to make instant sales within the first week. Every step I demonstrate is crucial, so watch the video till the end. For this video, I challenged myself to only use tools that are free to use. Let's begin without wasting any time. Coloring pages for kids. Coloring pages are a fun way for kids to show their creativity by coloring in pictures of animals, nature, and other cool stuff. If we search coloring pages for kids on Etsy, you may notice that there is demand for it but also high competition. You may ask now, how can you compete if there is high competition? Don't worry. I will be revealing a secret for you to stand out and generate more sales, so keep watching. Many Etsy stores are selling coloring pages in many different styles and niches. This listing is from Dinosaur, and this one is selling unicorns, or this one is selling dragons. That means you have different ways to make money from this idea. And these listings consistently receive plenty of positive reviews, indicating that the product is doing really well in terms of sales. Let me take you through every step of making the product, starting with coming up with the ideas for your coloring pages. For the first step, we need ChatGPT to automate the process for us. So for example, I asked the chatbot to give me 20 coloring page ideas for kids. And look, there are loads of awesome ideas and each one comes with a clear description. Now let's search if there is any competition in the Safari coloring niche. Wow! There are only 1,000 results, which means there isn't much competition in this specific niche. After that, go through the listings and check out the reviews to understand what people like and dislike. This will help you to create an improved and distinctive product. Once you have a product idea, the next step is turning it into a complete product. This begins by creating the core part of the coloring pages, the illustrations. And to do that with AI, I will use a free alternative to Midjourney, which I also used in my last video, Bing Image Creator. But before we dive in, we should write the prompt. This is a special line of text that helps AI make images you want. If we go to Bing Image Creator, you can see on the left that they have given us an overview on how to use their prompt. Let me try Kid in a Safari Adventure black and white outline. I'm honestly disappointed, but let me search for another free AI image generator. I found this AI tool called Leonardo.ai, which also generates images but is limited to 150 tokens per day. Let's put it to the test. Well, after playing around with multiple prompts to get the coloring pages, I found out that the prompt has to be very long and specific for our needs. I have provided the prompt in the description below. Hey there, according to my channel dashboard, only 0.7% of the people watching this video are subscribed, so I would really appreciate if you smash the subscribe button. Let's continue. In my opinion right now, Midjourney stands out as the top AI image generator when it comes to giving you lots of choices to make your images unique and ensuring they look great. So now what you need to do is repeat the process until you end up with around 10 to 12 coloring pages. The more you create, the better chance you have to really stand out from your competition and start making sales. Once you're done, the last step is to design the front cover of the coloring pages using Canva. If you look through Etsy, you can get an idea from your competitors to see which designs are selling well. After you finish designing your front page, gather all the coloring pages which were generated through the AI, stack them one after another using the A4 format in Canva and save the template as a PDF print. And just like that, you have successfully created your printable coloring pages for your Etsy store. And now, as promised, let me reveal not one but two secret tricks that will help you stand out and get instant sales within your first week. Let me start with the first secret trick. As you know, Halloween season is closing in, so why not offer a listing of Halloween coloring pages? If you take a closer look on Etsy for the search term Halloween coloring pages for kids, you will notice that there is demand for it and also very low competition, which makes it easier for you to make sales instantly. Before we jump into secret number 2, make sure you have watched my first first video. In that one, I break down the whole process of setting up a YouTube channel completely using AI tools, and the channel is all centered around the kids niche too. I highly suggest you giving it a watch after you are finished watching this video. Okay, now the trick is to upsell your Etsy store by selling through YouTube. You do that by providing a link of your Etsy store in your YouTube video description. This way, you are generating not one but two passive income streams, one through your Etsy store and the other through your YouTube channel. And that was the end of today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If so, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.